Is your savings account really growing, or just sitting there quietly losing value? You won't believe what Evergrow Bank is doing differently in 2026. Evergrow Bank is a digital-first bank focused on long-term growth through disciplined saving. Opening an account is fast, and the app is built to be simple enough for first-time savers, yet powerful enough for experienced users. Evergrow's standout feature is its growth-based savings structure. Instead of rewarding one-time deposits, the bank rewards consistency. The longer you keep saving regularly, the more benefits unlock, including higher interest tiers and reduced fees. Most people get this wrong by hopping between banks for short-term bonuses, but Evergrow rewards patience. Another highlight is Roundup and Growth Boost features. Everyday purchases can automatically round up spare change into savings, while income-based boosts adjust with your earnings. Over time, these small actions compound into noticeable progress. Evergrow also provides clear progress dashboards that show not just balances, but habits. The surprising truth is that seeing streaks and consistency often motivates users more than seeing interest percentages. On the downside, Evergrow focuses heavily on saving. It doesn't offer advanced investing tools or credit products. It's not meant to replace every financial service, but to strengthen your foundation. Is Evergrow Bank still worth it in 2026? For anyone serious about building savings steadily and stress-free, absolutely. It's ideal for emergency funds, future goals, and disciplined growth. Subscribe for more clear and practical banking reviews.